Right now, 2,000 thunderstorms are raging across the surface of the Earth. They produce 50 lightning strikes every single second, ringing the planet like a bell. The Earth has a frequency. It is an electromagnetic pulse traveling beneath your feet. This pulse moves between the ground and the ionosphere, 60 miles above your head. These two conductive layers form a resonant cavity, constantly energized by lightning strikes. In 1952, physicist Winfried Otto Schumann calculated the frequency this cavity should resonate at. The Earth's circumference allows for a standing wave at 7.83 hertz. When researchers finally measured it, they confirmed that Schumann was absolutely correct. The Earth has been vibrating at 7.83 hertz for eons. Every living organism on this planet evolved inside this specific, constant frequency. Now, consider a fact that should stop you cold. Your brain produces electrical oscillations. These brainwaves are measured in hertz, the same unit as the Schumann resonance. Alpha brainwaves, representing relaxed, alert wakefulness, range from 8 to 13 hertz. Theta brainwaves, associated with deep meditation and creativity, range from 4 to 8 hertz. The boundary between alpha and theta sits at approximately 8 hertz. The Earth's resonant frequency of 7.83 hertz sits right at this transition. It is the boundary between your thinking brain and your dreaming brain. Every nervous system on this planet developed inside this frequency for billions of years. Our brains did not independently arrive at 7.83 hertz. They were tuned by it. The Earth is the master oscillator. Your brain is the resonant circuit, perfectly synced to the planet's heartbeat. NASA discovered what happens when you take that vital frequency away from humans. In the early 1960s, astronauts began experiencing strange, unexplained health problems. These issues could not be explained by weightlessness, radiation, or psychological stress. Their sleep cycles broke down in ways that medication could not fix. Their immune systems weakened without any obvious cause or external trigger. Bone loss accelerated faster than microgravity alone could possibly account for. Mental fatigue became severe, and depression rates climbed among the crew. Something was fundamentally wrong, and it took years to identify the missing variable. The astronauts had left the Schumann resonance behind while traveling in space. Above the ionosphere, there is no 7.83 hertz standing wave. Without this natural pulse, the human biological system begins to lose its rhythm. The body struggles to maintain its internal balance without the Earth's guiding signal. This discovery changed how we understand the connection between biology and our planet. We are not just inhabitants of Earth, we are part of its frequency. Our health is deeply tied to the electromagnetic environment we evolved within. When we step away from this resonance, our systems begin to drift. It is a reminder that we are intrinsically linked to the world below. The Earth is not just a rock. It is a living, vibrating system. It provides the background hum that keeps our nervous systems functioning correctly. Modern life often disconnects us from this natural, grounding frequency. We surround ourselves with artificial signals that mask the Earth's steady pulse. Perhaps returning to nature is more than just a walk in the woods. It is a way to recalibrate our brains to the planet's original rhythm. When you feel stressed, remember the 7.83 hertz frequency. It is always there, beneath your feet, waiting to ground you again. The planet is ringing like a bell, calling out to your brain. Listen to the silence and feel the pulse of the living Earth. Your brain is a resonant circuit designed to dance with the planet. Keep your connection strong and your mind aligned with the natural world. The Schumann resonance is the invisible thread connecting all life on Earth. It is the secret language of the atmosphere and the nervous system. Understanding this helps us appreciate the delicate balance of our existence. We are tuned to the Earth, and the Earth is tuned to us. This harmony is the foundation of our health and our creative potential. Let the Earth's frequency guide your thoughts and calm your spirit. We are part of a grand, vibrating symphony that never truly stops. 2,000 thunderstorms are still raging, keeping the resonance alive today. The pulse continues, steady and constant, beneath your very feet. You are home, tuned to the frequency of the beautiful Earth.